no word can explain how I look up to my mother. My mother is my biggest role model, my biggest motivator, my biggest cheerleader, of course.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another freaking video, people. So in today's video, I'll be doing 30 or maybe 25 questions that I asked you guys on Instagram, and I added some as well that I think I want you guys to know. But before I jump into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section telling me what you like to see me do. Of course, not everything you guys tell me to I will do. Anywho, let's jump into the question. Alright, so the first question that I got was how is YouTube going for me at this present time? Well, it is okay, but you know, I just started YouTube like a year ago, and in order for YouTube to go the way I want it to go, you guys have to watch the video, like the video, and share the video. You know, but it's going okay for me right about, you know. Well, not okay, but okay. Have you ever thought of trying modeling? Of course, I've thought of trying modeling. Of course, I think about it a lot of times. But it depends on the type of modeling, because I'm a very conservative female and I'm self-conscious, so certain things are just not for me. Understand what I mean? But I have thought about it. I maybe one day will try modeling at some point, but where I'm at now, that I don't have that on my bucket list for now. Right? What are your expectations for your YouTube channel? Well, like everybody else want to blow up and get a lot of viewers. So my expectation for like a couple years from now, I want to have a lot of subscribers, a lot of person watching my videos. Not necessarily just want, I don't necessarily want to just to be famous, but me just want, you know, be out there so people know me. Understand what I mean? Of course, making money from my videos that I'm putting out. I'm doing the hard work, so of course I want to make back some money from it. And another question I got, I think this was from Witina. Witina asked me if I do you miss Tina? Of course, girl. Of course, I miss Tina. Will I create a couples channel and start to do pranks? Yes, people. I will start a couples channel, but it is not now, right? Will I be doing pranks? Of course, I'll be doing pranks, but it will not be now. That is another story. Alright, so whenever I'm ready to do all of that, I will let you guys know. I will put it out on Instagram, I will put it out on Facebook, I will put it out on my WhatsApp, I will put it out on I don't do Twitter, so I'm not going to part Twitter. Alright, so this one was, tell me one YouTube secret you have discovered that will help you to grow your channel or to get monetized. Alright, so one YouTube secret that no YouTuber tell you, well, some YouTubers do, they don't. So majority of us don't tell persons that when they're doing like tags and so forth, they need to tag, like, use a lot of tags that is relevant to your video. Tags, watch your SEO score, of course, because you know, if you're low, then you're not get no views, no comments, no really no likes, or there's stuff there. I haven't mastered it as yet, but I'm getting there. Hopefully by next year, God's will, I will be on the way to be monetized. Alright, so the next question that was asked, it is, who or what inspired you to start your YouTube channel? So, what inspired me? Of course, YouTube inspired me. Watching a few YouTubers inspired me, like Petit Sue and couple other people. I had the aim and the determination from a very young age, but I did not pursue it until last year. So I think it was last year when I did a video with my hair and I posted it on Facebook and I posted it on my WhatsApp status. And one of my friends said to me, Nisha, when you not create a YouTube channel like you always wanted to do, COVID is here, you're not doing anything, so might as well start your YouTube channel. And within I said, start a YouTube channel and put it on YouTube. So I did just that. I had the love for makeup, I had the love for hair, I had the love for certain things. I had the love for, like, then thing there, acting and something on my thing. Somebody have the love for all of that. See, is doing hair and makeup your passion? Yes, it is my passion. I love to do hair and I love to do makeup. Yes, it is two of my passion. Hair and makeup is my passion, but I also have some other passions that I would like to pursue. Where do you see yourself in the next 3 years from now? Where do I see myself in the next 3 years from now? In the next 3 years from now, I see myself, of course, right here on YouTube, maybe getting a lot of views and getting big as the years go by. That's one. Two, of course, probably owning my own business, being my own boss. What else? Owning my own business, making money, living my life, having my own house, having my own car. Those are the stuff that people want in life, of course. So those are in the next 3 years though. I do see myself like having my own business, getting my own house, my own car, and just probably getting married in the next 3 years. Who is my role model? My role model, so one is my mother, of course. My mother, I look up to my mother really. It's no word can explain how I look up to my mother. My mother is my biggest role model, my biggest motivator, my biggest cheerleader, of course, and my best friend. So my mother is my one of my role models. Two, yes, I'm my role model. I don't think I have another one. My mommy for now, maybe it's my role. I can't say I'm my role model, but I'm petite. But I kinda look at what they do, and I would want to be like them someday. What will you be doing during the lockdown? What people do on lockdown more than stay in yard and watch TV, eat and sleep, and above all the other things, but the regular things. Watch TV, wash if me need to wash, cook if me need to cook, clean if me need to clean. Watch TV, eat, sleep, drink. That's all that is there to do. So I can chat on my phone if me need to chat on my phone, and that's it. Nothing special, nothing. It's just lockdown, people. Not with you. Is YouTube your main goal? No, YouTube is not my main goal. What is your dream job? Now, my dream job entails a lot of stuff. So my dream job, one day I would like to go back to school and of course become a drama teacher or actress. Two, for now, what I'm focusing on now, I'm focusing on being an entrepreneur. So having my own businesses, selling stuff and those little stuff is my main, that would be my dream job. But I still have another dream job that I haven't pursued. I haven't made the step to pursue as yet, but one day I will. Where did you learn to do hair and makeup? I learned to do hair and makeup on YouTube. That's where I saw my first video, and the first video I watched on hair and makeup was from one of Petit's video. That's so I was self-taught. I trained myself. Every little thing I say, I tried. See there? Eyebrows on flu. Well, not now, but they're on flu, you know? So I was self-taught. I haven't gone to any school. I haven't gone to, which I will. That is one of my goals too. I will get certified. Do you want to get married and have children? Yes, I do. As I said before. How has COVID treated you? How has COVID treated me? How has life been during COVID? That's what you should have asked. Alright, so life during COVID, I'm still here. I'm still blessed to be here. I'm in my right mind. I can talk, I can walk, I can see, I can eat, I can smell, I can do all the things that I'm supposed to do. So life during COVID was not one of the worst, as some people may think it is, or some people might feel it is one of the worst time during. No. As far as not having a job during COVID and just being home, you know, during the COVID you have to be home all the time. Majority of the time you can leave home, but you have to be home, being in mask and all that stuff. It wasn't a challenge for me because I don't go anywhere overall, so it wasn't a challenge for me per se. The only thing that affected me was not having a job, but I did not suffer that bad. Alright, what is your opinion on the COVID-19 vaccine? No comment.
What? What the fuck?
I'm kidding. Hold on. So, what are my thoughts on COVID-19 vaccination? So my thought is, what I think is that no matter what you do in life, you're still gonna die, right? So most people are say they might give you vaccination to kill you off, they might put chip in your hand, they might do all type of stuff. But what if COVID will catch you? What gonna happen to you? You're gonna end up in a hospital, you're gonna go on a machine, you're gonna go on a ventilator. The only thing you can do is hope for the best. Why not? As you have the chance to save your life, go and take the vaccine, because the vaccine will not prevent COVID, but if you catch COVID, you will not die from it. Just like any other vaccination you take for polio, scoliosis, what they call it, measles when you're a child. All the vaccine them when you get when you're a child, they never say you now will catch measles. It's like if you catch measles, you won't get a bad hit from it, right? Are you in a relationship? Yes, I am. Is YouTube paying you? Mr. Boy, I'm question. Is YouTube paying you? No, and no again. What are the requirements to get paid on YouTube? So in order to get paid on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, and that's it. That's basically it. What job do you do now? What job do I am self-employed, right? I do hair, I do makeup, those little stuff. um how is business going? Well, right now I'm currently in the stage of restocking, and I haven't got to it as yet. I haven't had the time to do that and to revamp my page and to put out different products. But as soon as I do that, I will post it on Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram, my business page on Instagram at Bougie Necessities, and my Instagram page at Jamaican Gal Nishoy. Follow me on Facebook at Nataloy Leslie. Would you go back to school at any time in your life? Of course. School is never a done point, School is a good thing. Where are you from? I am from the parish of Hanover. Where do you buy or get your bonnets? And this is my last question. Bonnets. I sew my bonnets. It is one of my, well, it's not a passion. I just do it. So I sew my bonnets. So if you want bonnets, you can hit me up on Instagram at Bougie Necessities. And I sew my headbands, my scrunchies, all the stuff I sew them myself. Just because, a COVID time now, people don't have money for you to spend on certain things. So I prefer to save the money, use it and invest in something, and me get back my benefit. And that's what I mean. Me do all of the work and get my money. That's the end of the question and answer. So if you like to see me do more of these, then go ahead and send me some questions on Instagram and Facebook, wherever. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share the video if you like the video. And that's it. Alright people, I'm out.